Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send a message to Roblox support, right? So you can just open your Roblox and you can just go to the Roblox support directly from your laptop or PC as well as from your mobile application, right? As well as from the Google Chrome or from directly from internet. So you have to just go to Google Chrome or any of the browser and look for Roblox support. Now once you're here, you have to click on Roblox support, right? And here it will be available. So basically to contact them, first of all, you can just enter their login. So you have to use your ID or something, and then you will be able to, or by the way, you can just follow the steps which I'm doing right now. And here once you enter your date of birth, you have to enter the username, and this is optional. Even if you don't want to, that's fine, but email address, that is very important because this is the only way that you can contact them. So here you have to enter the email address as well as the description of issue, right? But before that, you have to select that. For example, I'm doing it from my Android device, right? Sorry, it's Android here phone, and type of help category. So you have to select the reason, that for what reason you want the help. So it's reason about the billing and payment, and I have to describe the section and then just click on continue. So automatically it will get sent an email to the Roblox support, and they will revert back to you in the next 24 hours, right? In next 24 business hours basically. And then you can have a conversation with the Roblox support team and they will help you with it. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.